if you want to go around and copy and paste out your design in different applications, then what you can simply do is copy your entire design that you have in Microsoft Designer as an image. So to do that, you need to go around under downloads right here. And once you do that, you can simply go around and click on copy as image from over here. So once you go around and click right here, what happens is that the entire design will be copied as an image. And then what you can simply go around and do is you can go around over here onto any application of your choice right here. And then you can go around over here and paste this out right here. So I can right click and paste this, and you can see that I got the design from Microsoft Designer in Microsoft Word right here, just like this. And you can simply go around and paste this out in other applications that you like as well. So that is how you can copy designs as image and directly paste it out in other applications. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe